guys, as I told you earlier in the previous video, I want to demonstrate the header files in the Python. I did it last video in the C++, so I want to do it in Python now. So I told you as earlier that header files is the collection of functions, collection of files that is represented by a keyboard. So if you wanted to learn the header files completely, you wanted to watch my previous video, you would understand perfectly. So I wanted to demonstrate you, all of you guys, how header files implemented in Python. So let's start it. Without further ado, here it is my Python. So I just wanted to print out some of the things. We are going to print hello world. Let's see guys what is the header file here is. So if I want to print this small program in the Python, I don't require of header files. Yes guys, it is not required for header files for the small programs. Suppose you wanted to implement a program which is a power program. So as I told you earlier in the previous video, you need to import guys instead of include. Include is for C++, import is for Python. So import math. We just imported the math. If I wanted to import the py function, the pi is nothing but 3.14. If I wanted to print the pi value, I just wanted to be print function and just write pi. Here I have the decimal of the decimalist number. We got it. The most significant figure of pi is here in the screen itself. It shows the correct of the correctest value. Here how you could be able to implement the header files in the Python program. So if you wanted to import power function, we have just already imported the math function, that is the header file. So I wanted a program that should be 2 power 2 or any other power or any other number with any other number power. So if I wanted to do that, so I just wanted to write I as int input. So let's say I is int. Yes, that was correct. Input, and I just wanted to be enter the number. After that, enter the number. If I enter 2, and the second one is e is also an int function. Input, wanted to input that I in the output function. Enter the power. The power is 2 upon 2. So let's say power power of I comma e. Okay guys, here it is the answer. The power of 2 upon 2 is 4. 2 power 2 is 4. Let's say again, I wanted to copy this function. Why I wanted to copy? I just wanted to be easily imported here itself also. So I wanted to be 2 power 6. 2 power 6, let's say it is 64. Power of 2 into 2 upon 2.4. Let's say it works or not. Yes, it is also works. So here's how you could import the header file in Python. So if you wanted to learn Python from the beginning to the advanced, here are my channel for you. the most beneficent, the most benefit channel, the source for you to learn Python and any other languages. So stay tuned for your benefit. Stay tuned for mine. Stay tuned for my channel. Stay tuned to learn many programming languages, just like I did. So if you wanted to learn, then share my video as much as possible and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for everything. Thank you so much.